Chapter number 13, Chemical Change and Chemical Bond. Now in front of your screen you can see it's a cut potato is kept, but slowly when you will cut it, it is whitish in color, and then slowly it becomes blackened. So it shows that it's a chemical change. The composition of the original substance changes and it forms the new substance, which is the different composition, and it has got a different property. Ripening of the mango, ripening of banana, that all is the chemical changes. Now to understand further, let us do one activity. Lemon juice is taken in a glass. Okay, you have to take 2 drops of lemon juice in a spoon and you have to taste it. Do you know the taste of lemon juice? It is sour in taste, right? Now you just add it into the one glass. Then what you do? You add a pinch of baking soda into this glass of lemon juice. As soon as you will add it, you will see some of the effervescence, the bubbling around the particles of the soda. Okay, here you can see this part, the bubbling, and some of the gas is coming out. Okay, I'm just removing that my highlighter. You can see there is a change. So what is that? So what did you hear when we take our ears near to it now? That time we'll see some sound also near to it. Okay, and now you can taste it also. But that's particular. Now what you had, lemon juice plus soda, baking soda, it is not giving sour taste, it is giving some different taste. But remember, this activity whenever you are doing, it has to be done with a clean apparatus because you are tasting it now. So all the material should be clean. You know it, what is the condition now presently. हर सब चीज धो धा के करना चाहिए. Hmm? Otherwise you are not supposed to taste it. So what did you see here? The taste is different. So what exactly happened here? You will see that some gas is coming out. You will notice some sound also whenever you are doing this activity. You can see that the bubbles are there of a gas, and white solid particles of baking soda disappears. Then the original sour taste, it becomes very much mild, or otherwise sometimes it goes also, depends how much soda you have added, right? So it means it is clear that when you are adding the lemon juice and the baking soda, some new substance is formed, and that new substance is having altogether different properties, right? So during this change, the composition of the original substance change and new substance is formed. Sourness of lemon, you have tasted it, but now the taste is different. That means taste has changed. Now the bubbles came. पहला bubble कुछ था ही नहीं. So that also new appearance also came, right? So the change took place just because you are adding the baking soda into the lemon juice, and it gives rise to the chemical change, right? So in the chemical change, some of the things takes place. These are the color, the taste changes. Sometimes there is a release of the gas also. So now this chemical change we have studied. Chemical change, we can write it also in form of word, shortcut way. Then we can write down in the form of word equation, and we can write down in the form of formulae also. So all the chemical change, whether it is a oxidation of iron. See here, the iron nail is there and then it got oxidized. Okay, so that is there. Here burning takes place. See the bread kept 44 days. Then this is an apple. You see the fresh apple, and then when after 1 hour, what happens is, so all these things are there. You can see the ripening of bananas. All these are the chemical changes. So during the chemical change, chemical composition of the original matter changes and the new substance having the different properties and the different chemical composition is formed. Now a chemical change can be written for a this for this chemical change we can write a chemical equation. जैसे मैथ्स में इक्वेशन होता है ना, वैसे ही ये chemical change में भी हम लोग लिख सकते हैं. If we know कि exactly क्या क्या बना है, and if you know the chemical formulae of and the names of the original substance and the newly formed substance, then we can write chemical equation also. अभी हमको यही लिखना है. Suppose for example, हाँ, say this one. See, iron is there. We can know iron means Fe and iron oxide means FeO. Now, here we have taken lemon. Lemon मतलब citric acid. Then we are taking baking soda. Baking soda का scientific name है सोडियम बाइकार्बोनेट. तो आप कैसे लिख सकते हो कि मैंने लेमन जूस के अंदर सोडियम बाइकार्बोनेट, तो साइट्रिक एसिड प्लस सोडियम बाइकार्बोनेट. This gives क्या होता है, we see the bubbles ना, that bubbles is nothing but of the carbon dioxide. So it gives the carbon dioxide and the salt is formed and that is the sodium citrate. So what do you see? You see that the acid reacts with alkali to form carbon dioxide and salt. Right? See, acid and base जो react करते हैं उसको reaction को क्या बोलते हैं? In the last chapter we have studied. Yes, it is neutralization. Acid reacts with base to form salt is called as the neutralization reaction. So children, here the citric acid reacts with sodium bicarbonate. देखो लेमन जूस के अंदर सोडा डाल दिया खाने वाला. ये सिंपल. मम्मी के घर, आपके घर में लेमन भी होगा, आपके घर में खाने वाला सोडा भी होगा, जो मम्मी ढोकला के अंदर या पकोड़ा के अंदर डालती है ना, दैट इज बेकिंग सोडा. And lemon, so you all know. So lemon plus this you will do, you will get carbon dioxide and water. So isn't it पूरा बहुत बहुत लाभ लाभ ऐसे बड़े बड़े सेंटेंस में लिखने से चाहिए शॉर्टकट वे हो गया. इसमें मैं ऐसे में लिख के दूंगी तो आपको समझ में आ जाएगा. ओके, टीचर हैज टेकन लेमन जूस, देन इन दैट शी हैज एडेड 2-3 drops of the baking soda, then you will get the bubbles. The gas involved is carbon dioxide and you get the salt sodium citrate. इतना लाभ करने से science is to the point, shortcut. So this is called as the word equation. What it is called? Word equation. Okay. Now if we write down, if we know the formula, that is called as the chemical equation also. So remember some steps. Now I have shown you the one reaction. Now I'll tell you what all things are there. The first step of writing the chemical equation is to write down the word equation by using the names of the concerned substance. तो मैं लेमन नहीं लिखूंगी, मैं लिखूंगी क्या, साइट्रिक एसिड. मैं खाने वाला सोडा नहीं लिखूंगी. I will write it sodium bicarbonate. Okay. So these are the names of the product which we had written. और उसके बाद में है ना, once you write down this word equation, so when the chemical formula is written, it will become chemical equation. So we can write in this way. We can write down the formula of citric acid. We can write down the formula of sodium bicarbonate. जैसे कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड का कैसे CO2 लिखा है. Suppose sodium bicarbonate, so we can write down NaHCO3. So like that we will write down now, then it will call as the chemical equation. अगर word में लिखा, that is called as the word equation. If you use the chemical formula, then it is called as the chemical equation. Now we have to follow certain rules, children. Always on the left, see, can you see this arrow? This arrow is very important. Just as we have the equal to sign in maths, in a similar manner, here we have the arrows. Okay, so here left side of this arrow, this part is the part where we write down reactant. Now what are reactant? The things which are taking place in the chemical reaction. तो हम लोग ने लिया था ना lemon juice and baking soda. So that we are writing that citric acid plus sodium bicarbonate. They are called as reactant. Okay, now reactant is clear. Now on the right hand side of arrow, on the right hand side of the arrow, now you having this part. This is the product, the newly formed substance. Newly formed substance are called as the product, and where they are written? They are written on the right hand side of the arrow. Correct? So remember one thing, arrow indicates the direction of the reaction. So substance written on the left side of the arrow are the original substance that take part in the reaction, and so they are called as reactant. And the newly formed substance, when the reaction takes place, the new substance are formed, na? So they are called as products. They are written on the right hand side of the arrow. Is writing of this word equation is clear to everyone? Where to write reactant? Left hand side. Where to write product? Right hand side. Reactant means the original substance which are taking part in the chemical reaction. And what are products? The newly formed substance. Okay. So after understanding this, let us go towards the chemical change in our everyday life. So first of all, we'll see just the one and very well natural one, and that is respiration. Respiration is continuously done in our body, right? So inhale, what we do, we inhale the oxygen from the air and we exhale the carbon dioxide and water vapor. We have already studied in the last chapters that the glucose in the cells react with the oxygen to form the carbon dioxide of and water, which is the burning of the food. तो उसमें आया था ना सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम और रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम में. So inhaled air reacts with the glucose in the cell to form carbon dioxide and water. So how will you write the word equation? You will write down the word equation as glucose plus oxygen gives you carbon dioxide plus water. Children, now carbon dioxide place was not there, so I had not written completely, but this is how you can write. So the word equation is glucose plus oxygen during the process of respiration gives you carbon dioxide and water, right? And then chemical equation, if you are writing, formula for glucose is C6H12O6. So C6H12O6 plus oxygen का O2 gives you carbon dioxide plus water, right? Now one proof of it. One proof of this process, that you take freshly prepared lime water, that is the calcium hydroxide, and test tube, when you blow into it, what will you see? You will see that the colorless lime water turns milky. Why did this happen? It shows that the blown gas was nothing but the carbon dioxide. So, carbon dioxide plus calcium hydroxide gives you calcium carbonate plus water. Write a chemical equation. So you can write out in that way also. Now next natural process is photosynthesis. So you know it that the green plant performs the photosynthesis in the sunlight. So if you want to write down the word equation, how will you write down the word equation? So word equation will be carbon dioxide carbon dioxide plus water in presence of sunlight. Green plant makes glucose glucose plus oxygen. So this becomes the word equation. But if you write down the chemical equation will be, instead of writing carbon dioxide, we can write a shortcut CO2. Water की जगह पे H2O. Correct? Then glucose is C6H12O6 plus O2. Okay? So lime water turns milky. So in the lime, when it lime water turns milky, what you will get around? Carbon dioxide plus calcium hydroxide. What it will give? Calcium carbonate and water. So this is how the word equation will look like. So this all the things, instead of writing the entire activity in words as in form of paragraph, the shortcut way is there. Just write down the word equation. When they are two reactants, they are separated by plus ka sign. And the process, the arrow indicate the process. These are the reactant, these are the product. Okay. Now the wood, cooking gas, coal, petrol. These are all the fuels. What is common in them? Main is carbon is common. Huh? So carbon, when it reacts with oxygen, it gives you carbon dioxide. Correct? So that equation can be written in the form of the word equation also and chemical equation. So But this is not the natural change, huh? This is the man-made change. So this is man-made chemical change. So in the man-made chemical change, combustion of the fuel we are going to study. So carbon plus oxygens give you carbon dioxide. This is the chemical equation. Combustion of fuel is faster and irreversible. From the carbon dioxide, you cannot get carbon and oxygen. So this is irreversible. वापस नहीं होता. So it's a chemical change. Correct? Now second thing which you must have seen, कभी कभी है ना घर के अंदर मम्मी नींबू काटते हैं, नींबू अगर गिर गया नींबू का जूस, if it falls on the floor, it becomes whitish in color. It gives up patches. The chemical composition of Sahabat tiles is mainly the calcium carbonate. और उसके अंदर अगर आपने हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड भी डाल दिया ना, हाँ, then the upper layer of tile reacts with the hydrochloric acid and three products are formed: calcium chloride, carbon dioxide and water. So what happens is, out of this the calcium carbonate is insoluble. Soluble, it is soluble. So it will get washed away with water. हाँ, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड क्या करता है, बबल्स दिखाता है. कैन यू सी द बबल्स हियर? And third product is water, which mix with the water. So this chemical equation can be written as calcium carbonate plus hydrochloric acid gives, instead of arrow I will use the word gives the calcium carbonate, calcium chloride, carbon dioxide and water. Right? Now the third thing is the softening of hard water. Now children, you must have observed, किसी के घर पे ऐसे लगता है कि बोरिंग का पानी आता है. You must have heard, you might be having it at that home also. टॉयलेट के अंदर अलग पानी रखते हैं, पीने का पानी अलग होता है, like that. So well water or some two well waters are the hard water. Hard water मतलब कड़क पत्थर जैसा, ऐसे नहीं. Hard water means it contains some salts of chloride. Okay, so it can be a calcium chloride or something which is there present in the water, and because of it ना, that it doesn't taste good. हम लोग कभी कभी गांव में हम लोग ऐसे बोलते हैं, I don't like to drink the water of village. We normally get Bisleris. हाँ, तो गांव के पानी में और यहाँ के पानी में क्या फर्क है? That is hard water because it is coming from the well ना, so many salts are dissolved in it. So many sulfate salts or the chloride salt of calcium and magnesiums are in the dissolved state. So this is what is called as the salt which are present in the hard water. तो उसके अंदर अगर आप पानी का कितना, मम्मी बोलती है मम्मी मैं नहाता हूँ ना तो साबुन लगाता लेकिन झागी नहीं होती. We say that it doesn't lathers. हाँ, गांव के पानी में this difference you must have observed. This is our day to day life experiences. So it doesn't lather. So it is shows that it is hard. What is soft water? Where the soap lathers. So can we make hard water soft? Yes, we can make the hard water soft. You can just add little sodium carbonate into it. Okay. So when you will add sodium carbonate into it, you will get the reaction will take place and precipitation of the carbonate salts is done and the water becomes softened. So chemical equation, how will you write down? Calcium chloride plus, you can write down just chemical equation. I am writing calcium chloride plus sodium carbonate Na2CO3 gives you CaCO3 plus NaCl. Okay. सो दिस इज व्हाट इज एग्जैक्टली हैपनिंग. वो पानी के अंदर थोड़ा सा भी आप सोडियम कार्बोनेट डाल देते हो ना तो पानी सॉफ्ट हो जाता है. एंड दैट इज व्हाई चिल्ड्रन यू मस्ट हैव ऑप्शन के वॉशिंग पाउडर डालते हैं तो वहां पे कपड़े एकदम क्लीन हो जाते हैं. नो, डोंट यूज सोप, यूज वॉशिंग पाउडर बिकॉज इन दैट sodium carbonate is there. Okay, so these are all the chemical changes. What we have observed that due to chemical change, the new substances are formed, and this is happens is because there are chemical bond of the reactant which breaks and the new substance is formed, which we call as the product, right? So we will learn about the chemical bond in the next period. Today we have learned about the chemical changes and word equation. Some of the natural chemical changes and the man-made chemical changes we have seen, and next we will see about the bond.